Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make Dreamy Seashell using Fimo polymer clay. So let's get started. To begin, take the blue color and mold it into a seashell shape. Next, I took my needle tool and made 5 indents on the surface of the seashell. I also made indents on the side of the seashell. Since we have a blue color, you can use white chalk pastel and paint it over to give it a brighter look. Moving on to the face, indent a U shape into the blue clay for the mouth. For the face, you can make and attach 2 balls of black clay for the eyes, also 2 balls of white clay for the glint in the eyes. To make the cheeks, I used 2 small balls of pink clay and secure them on. Next we are going to make a starfish using pink clay. You can mold the clay into the shape of a star. Then add tiny balls of pink clay on the top of a starfish and make indents onto them. After I place the starfish on the top of a seashell, I'm going to make 5 pearls out of white clay and place them on the top of a seashell as well. At this point, I added an eye pin so I could make it into a keyring. And then you can bake the finished figurine in your oven according to your package's instructions. After the baking, I added 3 layers of Fimo gloss varnish to make it super shiny and protected. Since I wanted my seashell to be dreamy, on the upper part I added a glitter while the varnish was still undried. Glitter represents shimmer on the water and the sand as well. This is how my finished dreamy seashell looks like. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more crafty videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys!